Hey everyone, welcome back to another session with Veggie Life. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make cauliflower pickle. So here I have taken one medium-sized cauliflower, added 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of vinegar and water. Wash it thoroughly and rinse the florets away. After draining the water away, we will be adding about 12 garlic pods to these florets and let us leave it in the sun to dry for about 3 days. A cauliflower has been drying under the sun for about 3 days and this is how it will appear, all shriveled and a little colored. Now for making the masala, I have taken a glass bowl. In this, we will be adding the red chilli part first. I have taken about 3/4 cup of red chilli powder and added it to the bowl. Next, we will be adding salt, which is the same quantity as the red chilli powder. I've added half a cup of rye powder or mustard powder, 10 grams of jeera powder, followed by 5 grams of dhania powder, and less than 5 grams of methi powder to the masala. Now we shall mix all the powders together so that they blend well. Red chilli powder and salt have to be put in 1:1 ratio. Now to this masala, we will be adding the sun-dried cauliflower florets and we will mix it along with the masala. Now in a kadhai, we will be taking about 1 cup gingelly oil, which is equal to 100 ml. We will be adding about 3 to 4 red chillies, dried, and 10 grams of mustard seeds, followed by a pinch of methi seeds. Allow this tadka to cook until the mustard and red chilli start to splutter. Once this is done, we shall take the tadka and add it to the cauliflower masala. Mix the masala along with the gingerly oil tadka thoroughly. Next, for the acidity, I will be adding the juice of 2 lemons, which I have cut into 2 halves each. Remove the seeds and we will be adding the lemon juice to the pickle. Give it a thorough mix and leave the cauliflower for about 3 days for it to develop its pickled taste. Shift the pickle into an airtight container. Refrain from using any moist spoons while serving the pickle. Do try this recipe and let me know how you like it. Until then, bye!